how the ancient Hebrew explained the ocean tides. And if we pay attention to this model, we can see that the ancient Hebrew had our earth in a center of a sphere, and this would be the dielectric inertial plane in the middle of an electromagnetic torus field. And what we can see is the bottom half of this sphere is filled with water, and the upper half is filled with air. This is basically how the ancient Hebrews saw our cosmos. And if you look at this, the bottom bowl would be full of ocean water, and the top bowl would be full of the atmosphere or the gases that make up the atmosphere. And what we will have in the middle of this thing, we will have a churning mechanism that stirs them both at the same time directly from a central source, just like what we see in this image.
Okay. So the bottom bowl would have the water. The top bowl would have the atmosphere. And there's a churning, which is causing the water and the atmosphere to spin. So the bottom bowl, top bowl, put together makes a globe. And they are spinning. So Earth is a spinning globe.
Image.
I think Sanchez put his foot in his mouth.
And this image. So if you can picture this churning coming from the center pyramid or the center diamond that we see here in the middle of the torus field, that diamond was considered to be a place called Mount Meru by the ancient people. And in the Hindu, they spoke about Vishnu churning the Milky Sea because our atmosphere is being spun around. So is the ocean water. And the mechanism that's responsible for the churning of our atmosphere.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, our atmosphere is spinning. The water's spinning. These two bowls, one on top of another, make a globe. The globe is spinning.
And the churning of the sea lies at the core of our universe. And it is personified as this tree of life right here in the middle of the.
And I don't care anymore. So, okay, so I listened to Sanchez, and he just admitted planet Earth is a spinning globe.